In this video, we explain how to set up and test your Desk 5000 terminal. Your Desk 5000 terminal can communicate via IP, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth, depending on the specifications indicated on the sticker at the bottom underneath the terminal and your preference. Desk 5000, unless otherwise specified, comes pre-programmed with an IP connection. So if you decided to go for an IP connection option, it's basically plug and play. To use an IP communication type, you need to connect your terminal to an active IP line. Take an Ethernet cable from the box. Plug one end of the cable into a modem or a router. Now, plug the other end into a port on the extension labeled with the letters ETH. Now that the Ethernet cable is plugged in, let's power on the terminal. All cords and cables, including a power cord, connect to the extension and not to the terminal directly. Take a power cable out of the box and plug it into a power outlet. Now plug the other end of the power cord into a port on the extension labeled with a lightning bolt. The terminal will light up and go to the main screen. The Desk Terminal menu can be navigated in two different ways. The screen on your terminal is a touch screen, so you can simply tap on the screen like this to select one of the menu options. There is also a stylus provided with each terminal. It is located underneath the terminal on the left side. It can select screen elements more accurately and keep your terminal's touchscreen clean by limiting finger contact. Now that the terminal is powered up and you know how to navigate the menu, let's perform a short and simple connectivity test, otherwise known as download. First, press Admin to go to the admin menu. From there, press Settings and select Download. Once the terminal displays Download Successful, you are good to go. We invite you to give us a call should you have any questions. We'll be happy to help.